Exercise number 2. Start. We have to accelerate the pace of reforms and improve supply side management of the economy to sustain high growth in medium term. Stop. We are about to enter the first year of the 12th 5-year plan, which aims at faster, sustainable, and more inclusive growth. Stop. The plan will be launched with the budget proposals for 2012-13. Stop. I have identified 5 objectives that we must address effectively in the ensuing fiscal year. Stop. These are focus on domestic demand driven growth recovery, create conditions for rapid revival of high growth in private investments, address supply bottlenecks in agriculture, in energy and transport sectors, particularly in coal, power, national highways, railways, and civil aviation. Intervene decisively to address the problem of malnutrition, especially in the 200 high border districts. Expedite coordinated implementation of decisions being taken to improve delivery systems, governance, and transparency, and address the problem of black money and corruption in public life. Stop. Today, India has global responsibilities of a kind that it did not have earlier. Stop. Our presence at the high table of global economic policy makers is a matter of some satisfaction. Stop. It, however, places new responsibilities on our shoulders. Stop. If India can continue to build on its economic strength, it can be a source of stability for the world economy and provide a safe destination for restless global capital. Stop. I know that mere words are not enough. Stop. What we need is a credible roadmap backed by a set of implementable proposals to meet those objectives. Stop. In my attempt to do so, I have benefited from the able guidance of Honorable Prime Minister and strong support of the UPA chairperson Srimati Sonia Gandhi. Para. Yesterday, I laid on the table of the House the Economic Survey 2011-12, which gives a detailed analysis of the economy over the past 12 months. Stop. India's GDP is estimated to grow at 6.9% in real terms in 2011-12. Stop. The growth is estimated to be 2.5% in agriculture, 3.9% in industry, and 9.4% in services. There is a significant slowdown in comparison to the preceding 2 years, primarily due to deceleration in industrial growth, more specifically in private investment. Stop. Rising cost of credit and weak domestic business sentiment added to this decline. Stop. The headline inflation remained high for most part of the year. Stop. It was only in December 2011 that it moderated to 8.3%, followed by 6.6% in January 2012. Stop. Monthly food inflation declined from 20.2% in February 2010 to 9.4% in March 2011 and turned negative in January 2012. Stop. Though the February 2012 inflation figure has gone up marginally, I expect the headline inflation to moderate further in the next few months and remain stable thereafter. Stop. India inflation is largely structural, driven predominantly by agriculture, supply constraints, and global cost push. Stop. Evidence suggests that prolonged periods of high inflation tend to get generalized. Stop. Fortunately, steps taken to bridge gaps in distribution, storage, and marketing system to strengthen food supply chains have helped us in a more effective management. Stop.